Hello dear students, now we will discuss here electrical energy and electric power. So first we will discuss electric power. So this is a diagram I have made as we have discussed in heating effect of electric current. So we will discuss all this topic here: electric power, SI unit of electric power, other units of electric power, units of electrical energy, relation between commercial unit of energy and in joules, relation between electric energy and joules, इनके बीच में हम relation find out करेंगे. So electric power of electric circuit is the rate at which the electrical energy is dissipated. So electric power of electric circuit is the rate at which the electrical energy is dissipated or consumed in the electrical circuit. So let us assume that current I is moving through this electric circuit having resistance R, and for time t, then the potential difference is created, that is equal to V is equal to IR. Then the energy dissipated, then the energy dissipated or consumed, dissipated or we can say consumed, energy dissipated or consumed, that is E is equal to VIT I square RT V square upon R into T. These are the formulas already we have discussed in heating effect of electric current. So this is the energy dissipated when current flowing through this resistance R for time t. Then the potential difference that is produced, that is V is equal to IR. Then the energy dissipated. This one is the potential consumed, that is V is equal to IR, and the energy dissipated, that is equal to, from the Joule's law of heating effect, that energy is V is equal to E is equal to VIT or I square RT or V square upon R into T. So now we have to find out the power. So you can see here, power consumed, that is equal to energy dissipated upon time taken. Okay, rate of change of energy with respect to time. So what is energy dissipated? We can use this formula. When we will divide all these formula by time, then we are getting VI, second one is I square R, and third one is V square upon R. So this is the power consumed when this, we can say, across this circuit. Okay, so this electric power is over. Now we will discuss the unit of electric power, SI unit. So SI unit of electric power is watt. SI unit of electric power is watt. So means here we will write unit of power is watt, and we can say unit of, because the formula is P is equal to VI. So watt and potential difference का unit आपके पास volt, and current unit is ampere, the current of 1 ampere. So this is electric power. So 1 watt is equal to 1 volt ampere. So this is unit of power, SI unit. Then other units of electric power. So we can write here other units of electric power. So other units, okay, of electric power. So other units are, here we will write P is equal to, this is P is equal to VI. So other units that are, we can say, kilowatt electric power. So here we will write kilowatt, or we can write kW, that is equal to, kilo means 10 power 3 and watt. और अगर इसका बिगर यूनिट्स लिखना में, तो ये अदर यूनिट्स में एक किलोवाट आ गया, एक आ गया मेगावाट. So we can write capital M and W, that is 10 power 3 kilo. 1 mega is equal to 10 power 3 kilo, and watt. So it becomes 10 power 6 because kilo means 10 power 3. So you can also write here 10 power 3 into 10 power 3, that is 10 power 6 watt. So this is the bigger unit of electric power. Units of electrical energy. Unit of electric energy. Units of electric energy. Electric energy. The units of electric energy is, you know, the formula is power is equal to rate of energy, that is E is equal to, so we have to find out the unit of electric energy, then E is equal to P into time. So its unit is, power means watt and watt hour. So if we will write in other form, then also we can write it's a कमर्शियल यूनिट. ठीक है, एक तो आ गया आपके पास एनर्जी का यूनिट वॉट आवर. सो दूसरा यूनिट हम इसका लिखें अदर यूनिट्स, वी कैन से बिगर यूनिट्स, दैट इज सो हियर यूनिट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी इज वॉट आवर वी कैन से. सो दिस आई हैव रिटन हियर. सो 1 watt hour is the energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. Means 1 watt hour is the energy, 1 watt hour is the energy when consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. So this is 1 Wh is equal to 1 W into 1 hour. So now we will write its we can say relation between commercial unit of electric energy, commercial unit. So here we will rub this and commercial unit of electric energy. So we will discuss this commercial unit of electric energy. So in relation we can say commercial unit of is 1 watt hour is the energy consumed when 1 watt of power is used for 1 hour. This is for, we can say watt hour energy. But if we will discuss commercial unit of electric energy, that is kWh. Commercial unit of electrical energy, unit of electrical energy, and joule relation we will find out that kilo means 10 power 3 watt hour. Now here we can write 10 power 3 into H means 60. 1 hour में 60 मिनट, 1 hour में 60 मिनट एंड 60 सेकेंड. सो आपके पास ये सेकेंड लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. सो 1 किलो watt hour is equal to 10 power, here 6 is 36 into 10 power 3 हो गया 4 5 10 power 5. इसको डेसिमल में लिखेंगे हम तो 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. ओके, joules. So 1 kilowatt hour और जूल के साथ जो रिलेशन होता है 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. 1 kilowatt, that you have to keep in mind, this 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. So this is the relation between commercial unit of electrical energy and we can say electric energy and joule, unit of electric energy and joule. So this was about the topic electric power and electric energy. So students, I think this chapter is over. So next time we will discuss its numericals related to electric power and energy. So thank you.